How's it going, fishing fam? So today I'm gonna do kind of a similar video to my last video. I'm going to the same location, but I'm gonna try some different spots here. I'm kind of surprised though because it's a Monday morning, and there's a surprising amount of cars in the parking lot here. So I don't know if there's a lot of people. My spot might be taken, but if you remember last video, I was like sitting on a cinder block. Just kind of roll casting underneath some trees to catch some bluegill. I'll probably do that again today, but the goal is to kind of look at some other spots in this little park here by the Tuolumne River. So I'm gonna give it a shot and we'll see what happens. I got a couple new flies. I still haven't caught like a decent sized bass on the fly, so I'm hoping that today, hopefully maybe today, I can catch one. I've caught some small ones, but really looking for that decent, you know, even just like a 1-pounder would be like a sick catch on the fly. So anyway, I've heard that the fall striper run has begun. I don't know if they're already up here, but hopefully, you know, hopefully one of these days I can just slam a striper on the fly. That'd be the ultimate goal. Anyway, I will see you guys out there. Let's see how it goes. I just got here, man. What about you?
I just got a bass in that current water bass.
Oh, no way. Stripers are starting to come in, huh?
Dude, yeah. First two casts.
No shit.
Yeah, 22 and a half and like an 18 inch.
It's probably a bluegill. Yeah, it feels like a bluegill. Sick. I'm gonna put on my streamer though if there's stripers out.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, we just throw some swim baits out there, man.
Swim baits?
Yeah.
That's tight.
Those little fucking storm swim baits, those little Walmart brands.
Yeah, those, dude, my cousin, he kills them on those storms, dude. That was pretty sick. Caught one while talking to the guy. I guess I gotta make it out to San Luis Reservoir. Oh, what is this? Huh. Little bass. Check that out. Check that out. Look at that gorgeous little bass. That is so tight. Super cool. Is it a spotted? Oh. Well, he landed in the water. There we go. Another gill. Damn. These little dudes are crushing it. This little dude, look at, jeez Louise. This dude killed it. He is pissed. Whoa. That dude was pissed. He inhaled the whole thing. Oh. All right. As much as I love destroying bluegill, it's time for me to change it up. I gotta explore. That's what today's about. It's about exploring the different spots here. I could destroy bluegill on here all day, but that's not what this video is about. Get it over there. See if that's where they want it. There we go. Okay, all right, buddy. Okay. Look at that little guy. Beautiful. So one thing I really like about these small bass is that they're so they're so pure. Sick. And these little spotties, man, they are no joke. They are no joke. Alright, for the release. Alright, so I'm going to finish this video here at the cinder block. It's just a good spot. There we go. Not bad. Pretty fish. Beautiful fish. Oh, look at this. Pure tension. Alright, putting this thing back on. Going for the bass. I need some water though. did it. Just like that. Look at this guy, look at the belly. Alright, biggest bass so far. That little streamer really works. You can tell by the belly he's probably eating a ton of little bait fish. Sick. So badass. That's the biggest bass I've caught. On the fly.